To generate a report for the reviewed exam, click the Create Report button in the Tools section of the toolbar. In the window that opens, enter the report text and click Create Report. The system will automatically generate a report based on the configured template, including auto-filled details such as patient and exam information, along with the entered text. Alternatively, click Select PDF to import an existing report. If relevant images need to be included in the report, select them by clicking the checkbox in the bottom right corner of each panel, before clicking the Create Report button. In this case, after entering the report text and clicking the Create Report button in the pop-up window, select the desired layout for the attached images and choose whether to include overlaid labels. Once created, the report can be viewed by clicking the PDF icon in the top right corner of the preview bar. If multiple icons are present, hover over each one to view details such as the creation date and time. The most recent report is highlighted with blue borders and a star on the icon. To close the report, click outside the pop-up window.